Quickly get clients within 30 days using Go High Level. If you're struggling to use Go High Level to generate leads, convert prospects, or grow your business, even though you know your product or service delivers real value, you're not alone. The issue usually isn't what you're offering. More often, it's the lack of a clear, predictable system for consistently reaching the right clients. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use your Go High Level software account to land new clients in 30 days or less without relying on paid ads or spending any money up front. To get started, you'll receive access to our free pipeline management software designed to help you turn your existing sphere of influence into paying clients quickly. During your first 10 days, we'll walk you through the process step by step, helping you identify your easiest to sell product or service and define the ideal client persona most likely to buy it. With these key elements in place, you'll be set up to start closing deals from people you already know. That's where Human Brainbox comes in. We pair your Go High Level with expert coaching so you can stop feeling overwhelmed and start taking focused action. Rather than trying to learn every tool in the software, we show you how to use just what you need to get your next client fast. The first step is to add 25 contacts from your sphere of influence into your software. Then, identify which of those contacts match your ideal client profile, people who both need your service and are financially able to buy it. Next, you'll begin permission-based follow-up, reaching out to these qualified contacts with automated emails or texts. But instead of pitching right away, you'll offer consistent, value-driven content and weekly offers that solve a real problem or deliver something they truly want. The goal is simple. Build a list of financially qualified prospects who have opted in to hear from you and start converting them into paying clients within 30 days. What if you don't get clients quickly from your current network? That's actually valuable feedback. It means your sphere doesn't include people who match your ideal client profile. In that case, you'll need to develop a compelling offer and start generating leads through targeted advertising that brings in the right audience. On the other hand, if your sphere includes multiple types of financially qualified prospects, you'll need to refine your pre-sales strategy, craft tailored offers for each group, and align your sales process accordingly. These are challenges we help you solve. To support this, we'll help you set up a monthly newsletter, a non-salesy, value-first way to begin the conversation. This is the foundation of permission-based follow-up. Your prospects choose to hear from you, and you stay top of mind by offering helpful, relevant content. Once a contact opts in, they're tagged, segmented, and added to your pipeline. From there, you'll deliver weekly offers that feel personal, never spammy, and directly speak to their needs and interests. The result: a focused list of people who are ready, willing, and able to do business with you. With our deferred payment option, you can implement this entire system with coaching and support at no upfront cost. Our 100% guarantee is simple. You'll close your first client before any payment is due, experience real results and see revenue coming in first, then begin your annual plan. Until then, there's no risk, just focused support to help you grow. Get immediate access to our free pipeline management software, no upfront payment required. For the first 30 days, you'll receive expert coaching and use the software to generate leads and close your first client. You can cancel any time within this period with no obligation. If you decide to continue after the trial, you'll still have access to the free version of the software until you close a client. Once that happens, you can upgrade to our $3,450 annual plan, which includes the full version of Go High Level and continued expert coaching. With your upgrade, you'll unlock all advanced features, empowering you to automate follow-up, manage leads more efficiently, and confidently grow your business. To get started, visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. One of our marketing success managers will reach out personally to help you begin.